This is the natural beauty of Khandadhar waterfall, which belongs to Sunderghar district of Odisha. It is 165 km from Sambalpur and only 100 km distance from Sunderghar city and Raulkela city. You can see how the biggest waterfall, how natural scenery is beautiful, and the scenario and the environment is so friendly and so hygienic, and the oxygen level is so high. It feels very amazing and it's fascinating here to see the beauty of the nature. The God has created this beauty for us, and we all have the responsibility not to destroy this natural beauty by using the non-biodegradable substances like the plastics and the different chemicals and the CFC, and which will destroy the ecosystem and environmental pollutant for the society. It will destroy all the natural beauty. You can enjoy, you can see how beautiful it is. It will very nice and amazing beauty, and it is a astonishing to see all the beautiful scenery, and it creates very fascinating and very nice. You can see, you can hear the sound of this water system when the water falling from the so much height and going to the down. People are taking bath here, and so beautiful, and so many tourist people are coming here to enjoy the beauty of this Khandadhar waterfall. There are two Khandadhar waterfalls in Odisha. One is Sunderghar, another in the Keonjhar district. But now I am present in the Khandadhar of Sunderghar district, very close to Raulkela city and Sunderghar township. And we came from the Sambalpur to the Kuchinda, and from the Kuchinda, Kusimi, like this. These are the places through which we came from the Sambalpur, from the Sandilya college. We visited with all our students. Around 200 students came here to enjoy the natural beauty and to learn something and to accustom with the nature and to understand the nature, how God has created all these things, all the amazing scenes, amazing things for us. And from here we can understand how the Almighty is, how powerful it is. The Almighty has created all these things, and it is so enjoyable. You can enjoy the beauty of this system, this waterfall. It is located at Banaei. Thank you. If you have the time, you can come here to see the beauty of this system.
जल्दी बुलाओ उठा मोबाइल के दिखा कर ना दिखा तो हम प्लेन के देखो प्लेन है टोटल उठा जल्दी बड़ा बढ़िया लगता है पूरी का किसी वाला ना.
You can enjoy the beauty, how the water is coming down. You can take the close view here, and it is so fascinating, so amazing, so beautiful in nature. Thank you all.